Hi guys! Ito pala ang part 2. At ito pala ang handang pagkain sa birthday ni Popsi. Meron tayong lechon, lumpia, spaghetti, chicken at iba pa. Kain po tayo! Ayan pala ang Popsi namin.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. You're happy 8 years old.
8 years old pa si Uncle.
Hello. Oh, blow candle. Blow candle.
Yay!
Oh, naglakas ng cake pop. Wow. Oh, yeah.